And right now we are making some dal
आलू की
and
सब्जी।
आलू की सब्जी। और हम लोग ने काम वाली को अपॉइंट कर लिया है नोएडा से। ओ माँ जी, ओ थोड़ा जल्दी कीजिए कांदा मैन। ये लाइट तो पुराना आदम जमाना का लग रहा है। Well guys, this is by far the most risky staircase that I have ever gone through. As you can see guys, it literally feels so vicious, and you know the worst part about it is that the stairs are not straight. It's a bit slanted like this. So when you stand, it's like when you stand like this, you have to stand actually like this. Your foot would be somewhat like this. Anyways, but feels really antique, and yeah, I don't think you can see me properly due to the low lighting, but yeah, this is how the house looks like from an exterior perspective, and these are the staircase which you can see. Okay, let me show you the other rooms. Okay, and also say hi to my dad. And we need to clean up this stuff, all of these boxes which are quite useless, and a few flowers which are actually not growing that properly. Some of them are even not there because the gardener is not coming in due to COVID, and not even let's just forget the gardener. Even the workers are not coming, and I think that we did come in a really good time, but in a really bad way. And here is my dad. So as I was saying, but before I proceed, let me just show you the bathroom. This is the other bathroom, just a small shower room which you can see, and this is the room which is newly built. Well, this is the new room which you can see over here. It's totally new. The tiling has been done recently, and yeah, it looks nice. So my father is here, and do you want to say hi? My father has caught the virus from me. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm not having any virus.
My father is not facing any problem, but although I think that he has
to take care of.
but he has a tendency to smoke, so I told him not to smoke that much.
38 years I am smoking.
But still, the virus.
No, I know how to protect myself.
He's a strong guy.
No, not strong. I know how to clean it. What is my diet? What is what?
Okay, and tomorrow the hospital would be coming with the isolation kit. Since my father is aged, they are giving a free isolation kit from the Lamban hospital.
Thank you. I didn't get it. I was
Today.
It was raining.
Yeah, today it was raining. Anyways, we'll be getting it tomorrow, and I guess in that box they will be including one oximeter, one thermometer, and a few medicines.
I'm obliged.
And let me just show you the kitchen. Chalo. So this is the other kitchen in the so small storeroom over here, and my dad is coming in the vlog for the first time. Not the first time. I think this is the second time when he is actually coming in my vlog. And well, this is the second room over here which we have. From this angle, this room looks quite big. It is actually quite big. It can hold more than two king size beds. So yeah, and yeah, the rest of the house tour we are going to do tomorrow, because today it's already late and I don't think you'll be able to see anything. Okay. This box over here looks like some kind of time bomb, but it's actually the pump which goes on through this complicated route of pipes. कांता बहन खाना रेडी हुआ कि नहीं?
नहीं अभी तक नहीं हुआ।
तो बना लो जल्दी जल्दी।
हो रहा है ना। मुझे ये व्यू बहुत पसंद है।
Yeah, the view was actually even better previously, but now due to all of these buildings, which you can see, the view got obstructed, and more buildings, come up, the view would be even further obstructed, and the beauty would not be there at all. It would be literally non-existent.
अंकल
ये भूत का दरवाजा लगता है रे, ऐसा आवाज कर रहा है। हाँ? Well, I guess I did not show you the other storeroom which is there, but I'll show you the room. And well, this is the other room. It's like a sliding, oh my god, and it टूट गया, handle टूट गया यार. And this room is like a bit haunted types, but you can see I really don't like the blue color. But yeah, this is the other storeroom which we have, and where my father usually stores all of the clothes and everything. This used to be an old TV which my uncle had bought for me, and this used to be the other one which is not working anymore. And let me show you the bathroom. Well, as you see guys, this is just one of the small bathrooms that we have, and we have 4 more bathrooms, not 4, I guess 5 more bathrooms in our entire house. Well, this is the toilet. It's not not really clean because we could not keep it that clean, as no one is coming, and due to the insufficient resources over here, we are unable. But we do have a geyser which is apparently not working, and we have to carry water from downstairs because these tapes are not actually working. यहाँ पर कभी कभी ये घर में आने से लगता है ना ऐसे ऐसे कि मतलब पुराना एंटीक सा फीलिंग लगता है। हाँ, बाल्टी से पानी लेके आओ नीचे से। हाँ, और आगे तो ऐसे भी था कि सुबह में टाइमली उठना पड़ता था पानी को ये करने के लिए, तेरा पानी उठाने के लिए। अभी तो ऐसा नहीं है, पर ये वाला पूरा हॉन्टेड लगता है। ये पूरा एरिया ही हॉन्टेड लग रहा है। हम लोग घर हॉन्टेड लगता है ना क्या?
नहीं लगता यार।
अरे मुझे तो लगता है भाई हॉन्टेड मूवी में। And for some reason I don't know how, but she got tested negative. Huh? Me and my dad, we both got positive, and she is negative for 2 times. I mean, but still that doesn't mean that.
मेरा immunity power बहुत ज़्यादा है तुम लोगों से, इसी वजह से।
Yeah, first of all immunity power, and second of all she is a carrier. मतलब वो सबको वायरस देती है।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे अटैक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ना ये लोग, तो इसीलिए ये लोग सोच रहे कि ठीक है, इन लोगों का जो पड़ोसी है इनका, उनको दे देते हैं। तो
पर पापा का एज हो गया ना अभी, संभाल के रहना पड़ेगा ना।
वो तो है, ठीक है, बट अंकल का कोई ऐसे सिम्टम्स नहीं है, वो भी तो फिलहाल ठीक
हाँ,
है।
symptoms are not
भगवान
that,
करे
but-
ऐसे ही रहे, मतलब कुछ ना हो।
Yeah. But I think we need to get the oximeter, and it's really important to check the oxygen at least 2 times a day. पर हम लोगों का बोर्ड अच्छा था ना, वो नोएडा से लेके आ रहा था। हम लोग का यहाँ पर भी एक बोर्ड है, वुडन बोर्ड में जब तक
लेकिन
नहीं
अंकल
काटो
को मिल नहीं
ना,
रहा
मतलब फीलिंग नहीं आता है एक्चुअली।
अंकल को मिल नहीं रहा है।
पर पापा ने काफी अच्छा से अरेंज करके रखा है, मैंने इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था। ये क्या है?
इसमें मसाले हैं।
ओह, मसाला। और ये यहाँ पर क्या है?
इसमें
और यहाँ पर गैस, 2 तो गैस है।
हाँ,
20 घंटे में सामने आए 3,48,000 से ज्यादा नए मरीज। एक दिन में 4200 से ज्यादा की जान गई।
And well, the virus toll is,
सामने आए 13,287 नए मामले, 300 मरीजों की मौत।
it's just not stopping. The virus has just spread like a wildfire all over India, and I really want you guys to take care of yourself, and if you have any family members, make sure that you are taking care. Okay, I know that right now it's really pointless for me to wear the mask inside the house because we are all positive. Pradeepa, she is negative, which is actually showing in the test, but let me tell you, the new UK variant which is there, that variant especially is a type of variant which is not getting detected with the old kit, the old tester kit which is coming, and the virus is jumping the test. So I think she is also positive, but the only thing is that it's not getting detected. All right, so this is the food which we have for today, and I'm going to spice it up with some sriracha, but it's extremely spicy, guys, this sauce. By the way, guys, if you guys have not watched The Boys in Amazon Prime, I highly recommend that, because it's a really nice series. It always it's something different, and the main character in it, whose name is Homelander, who is like somewhat like he has the same powers like Superman. He is actually an evil one, which adds a really nice feel to it, because we always see, Superman is that nice person who saves everyone, and he, on the other hand, he tries to act like he is good, but actually he is not. So highly recommended. Amazon Prime, The Boys, go and watch it. And well, guys, let me just show you today's profit which I have made while trading. So this is the profit, not a very high amount of profit, but did not get any good trades because the market was not moving properly. And moreover, tomorrow is a holiday, so no trading today, tomorrow. So I'm going to enjoy the entire day editing my videos, watching some movies perhaps, and also yeah, and just chilling with my family. And yeah, I also do have my guitar, so I think we would be going through some guitar I mean through some songs too, and I would love to sing a song or two for you guys in my guitar, which I usually keep in Shillong. I usually don't travel with this guitar. And by the way, guys, if you are looking to earn a profit and learn how to trade intraday, well, this is my other channel which is called the Bloodbath Trade, and let me just show you, where I actually share my strategies every single day before the market opens in these YouTube short videos, and you can understand how the market is going and how the market sentiment is happening. Some educational videos also I have started sharing, so I believe that you will be enjoying this a lot. So definitely subscribe to this channel if you want to earn a profit in the stock market. Okay.